Hello everyone, it's Gina from Orchid and Opal.com and welcome back. I have the latest Annie Simply Beads kit of the month in front of us today that I have just received, and I wanted to make sure I shared this one this month, especially because I've just heard that they have released a special coupon code that will save you 75% off your first month, which is awesome if you want to try them out, even if it's just for 1 month, because it makes their kit only $5. Plus a few dollars for shipping, which is an amazing deal because you get everything that you need to make a full set of jewelry. So for example, this month I have the design called Celeste, and it's this gorgeous blue and gold multi-strand necklace, and also some earrings that are going to coordinate with it, which I will make up and show you before the video is out. So if you've been thinking about trying out Annie's Simply Beads kit of the month, this is definitely the time. That coupon code SHARE75, it's good through July 11th, and that is the lowest I ever see this kit, especially awesome if you just want to try it out one time. I do believe they ship to the US and Canada, and you can find out all the other details about their subscription on their website. I will leave that link right down below the video that will take you right to that and all of their FAQs. But it's pretty simple. The first subscription package that you receive, it may be this one, it may be a totally different one. I have shared a few of these before. You're welcome to check out those videos. But your first one will actually come also with a bead mat and a 4-in-1 beading tool, as well as some beginner's beading instructions for various things that are helpful to know. So this is one of those kits that I especially recommend if you or somebody you know is brand new to beading, you want to get into it, especially just some bead stringing where you want to make wearable pieces, but you're not really sure where to start or you don't have a big bead stash. This gives you everything you need all together. And all said and done, you could either wear the set yourself or give it to somebody as a gift. And not only is it good for newer beaders, but it's also good if you just enjoy the process of sitting down with a kit with everything you need. That's a no-brainer, and the therapeutic benefits of making something beautiful like this that doesn't take a whole lot of extra thought. So not only does this kit contain all the materials you need, but it also contains full colorful instructions, and they have their own video to go along with each of their designs on their website. So I'm not going to actually film myself making this or a tutorial or anything like that because this is their design and they have their own video for that. But just know that not only will you get directions in the kit, but if you need extra help or just rather learn through watching a video, they have you covered that way too. So now that I've told you a little bit about the subscription, let's go ahead and open it up and check out what's inside, see the quality of the materials, and how everything looks when you open it up. So this is actually the pamphlet with the full instructions. You can see that it's all laid out clearly. It tells you exactly what should be in your kit, gives you some information on the general techniques that you'll be using, which they also have their own separate videos for if you are brand new. And then they go into detail about exactly what to do step by step and give you very clear pictures to look at while you're doing that. And then on the back, here are some instructions for the earrings as well. So I think this is like my 4th Annie's kit that I've received and shared, and I've been very impressed with how clear everything is, and the quality of the materials has been just what you'd expect, no plastic or anything, and even sometimes they have sent some actual stone beads, but everything seems to be either glass or stone. And I like the fact that they have switched up the variety of things they've sent me personally, so that not everything I get looks the same each time. It's a totally different type of set with different techniques. So that's also a good point to mention if you're new. Over time, this would give you a well-rounded sampling of different types of jewelry so you can see how to do different things. And then what you might do is just take those techniques and branch off from there on your own and use them outside of a kit. So going back to our contents, and I would open this upside down, but that's okay. There, that's better. All right, so we have this time, it looks like a large bag of these navy blue, maybe size 6/0 seed beads. So they're glass seed beads, and they're a little bit irregular, which is totally fine in a stringing project like this. We also have a hefty roll of our bead stringing wire that we'll be using, and all the findings and components that we need, and also some of these gold-plated spacers or chain. So everything's included, and also from my past experience, they have included even more than you actually need, which is great. So what I'm hoping to show you today not only is to share that awesome coupon code if you want to try them out, but I am going to actually follow the instructions as they are written in the pamphlet, put this necklace and earring set together, share with you how that actually looks in real life at the end of this video, and also we'll take a look at what components are left, and I'll give you any other thoughts that I have on this particular design. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I will meet you back in a few minutes. All right, everyone, so here's the finished piece, and I think it's absolutely adorable. It's actually something that I would be very drawn to wearing myself, so I'm sure I'm gonna keep this, and I'll be wearing it this summer for sure. Even these two cute little, very simple earrings. And what's great is look how much is left over. Even those seed beads, I mean, the length of jewelry wire that you still have, you even have extra chain. You could turn that into an extender chain if you wanted to. I mean, look how many extra of these gold spacers, everything. They have included a lot extra. And I mean, you know what? You could probably even make a coordinating bracelet if you wanted to. I followed the instructions to a T. They were very, very simple. I think even though I have a lot of experience with jewelry making, even if you're new, they give you all the resources you need to easily follow what it is you're supposed to do, and nothing is overly complicated that they send. So again, if you are interested in learning more about jewelry making, particularly doing different stringing projects, or if you just want a project that's ready to go, that's very wearable, that you can complete within a relatively short period of time, have all the materials there that you need ready to go, I highly recommend Annie's. I was skeptical about it maybe a year or so ago before I had ever tried them out, but I can definitely see the value in the subscription for the right person, and I love sharing when they have that special 75% off because it makes the whole kit only $5, and you just can't beat that to be able to make a whole set of jewelry like this for $5. And yes, there's a few extra dollars for shipping, like an extra $6 or so, but even still, it's a great price, and it's an educational tool, and or it would make a great gift for somebody else that you know who'd like to get into the hobby, or the actual jewelry set itself would make a really nice gift for somebody in your life. So use that coupon code SHARE75. Again, that's good through July 11th, making your first month 75% off. I know they have a satisfaction guarantee, and you can also cancel your subscription anytime. You can pause your subscription. You can change the duration. So all that information is on their website, and you can also browse the different examples of jewelry kits that they have sent in the past, and you can check back on the Annie's playlist I have to see the last few jewelry kits that I've received if you want to check out some other past packages that they've sent. So I'm sure it goes without mentioning, this isn't fine jewelry. This is plated brass mainly, but these are things I would absolutely use anyway, and that's not the type of subscription that you'd pay $5 for at an introductory price. The items are still very wearable and definitely good quality. And something else to note about the gold findings this month is that it can be hard to match up golds, and I think they did a great job. Sometimes you can find that you might receive a gold chain in a subscription that is just really kind of completely off from the rest of the components, but everything here is very seamless and matches very well. So I highly recommend it, and hopefully this video was helpful for you and gave you an idea of what Annie's Simply Beads Kit of the Month Clubs is all about. Feel free to leave a comment down below. Let me know if you have any experience with this club, how you enjoyed it, or anything else you'd like to say. I always appreciate having you with me, and if you enjoyed the video, I hope you'll give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button while you're here, because I would love to have you back for future videos, and that way you'll be notified of when I'm posting new content. That's all for now. I will see you all again real soon, and until next time, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and as always, happy beading.